Hey, Dark, and coming back at you. So you clicked on this video because you want to grow on Twitch fast. Number one rule: always, always check your microphone. Check this shit out. Has my goddamn microphone been off this whole fucking time? Are you fucking for real? Motherfucker. Well, I'm glad nobody came and watched this. I'm just gonna delete this one. Goddamn. What the fuck? Getting into the middle of a match. I mean, what the fuck? Yeah. Welcome to the fucking shit show, motherfuckers. Welcome to the fucking shit show. UAV, motherfuckers.